All right, in this video, I'm going to show you how to work the controls on this Arctic Air tower. All right, right now I've got it cranking out, high volume, high cool, lights on, and we're in a swivel. But if I want to turn it off, I've got to go 1, 2, 3, and 4. That turns it off. Now to turn it on, you go to your fan, click it, and bam, it kicks in. If you want to change the cool, you can make it less cool or more cool or no cool. That's just fan now. See how it's blowing? I like to go full cool on it. And I like to do the swivel. Bam. And that gives me the swivel. Let's stop the swivel for a second. If you want to time it, you click here. It goes 2 hours, 6 hours, 8 hours, 12 hours, and no hours, just manual, right? But let's go back to swivel. We're swiveling. There she goes. And it is cold, let me tell you. I can feel cold. It does drip a little bit, I do notice that. But that's it, that's how you use it. It's got to be plugged in. Make sure you got it plugged in. But that's how you use the controls. You're ready to turn it off, you just hit this, and that turns off the machine, and you're ready to go ahead and store it. You want to turn it back on, bam, and you're on. Light, off, on. Pretty simple. And let's just cool the room off. Yeah. All right, if you like this video, subscribe to my channel and check out my other awesome videos. Peace out.